Exactly. And then if you have any power tools, whether it be a tiller or a lawnmower or whatever.
Your mom's always good about this,
Yes.
running the gas out of them.
Yeah.
Now, I mean, the gas is different than it was 25 years ago, but if gas, I don't know the precise, if gas is kept in a long period of time, it can degrade. Now, we have had, we use gas in the chainsaw and the weed eater on our property, and we don't drain it out. We always have some gas in it, so it's always ready to use for any type of mechanism. But like a lawnmower, you're not going to use a lawnmower basically from middle of November in the northern climates to early to mid-March. So it's going to sit there a long time. And the reason why it is, and I just remembered, the ethanol, most people don't get ethanol-free gas. Most gas sold has some level, about 10% of ethanol in it. Ethanol will eat away at carburetors in these small engines.
Wow.
So you want to, like if you have a chainsaw and you use ethanol gas with your 50-to-1 ratio, it'll run fine. It'll work all day long, every day. But if you let that thing set for multiple months, that carburetor will be eaten out and you cannot get that thing started. So that's why certain areas, farther northern areas of what we have found, because we have land in the northern portion of Wisconsin,
right.
A lot of the gas stations up there has that 10% ethanol, but then they have the premium, which is 100% non-ethanol fuel, because there's so many ATVs and snowmobiles, chainsaws, weeders that require that kind of gas, so that it will not destroy the carburetor. So if you didn't know that, now you do.
The more you know.
Yeah. So you can figure that out and see, and you can do searches and find where you can get ethanol-free gasoline at for this particular purpose. And if you have to go on a journey, you have to go on a journey and get some quantity there.